Uyaga
100%. Ne mani ni muthu wa vhaṅwe vhathu vhene zwavhuḓi vhuḓi zwiamba zwavhuḓi ni muthu ane u bva murahu hangeini ni khou shela mulenzhe nga maanḓa ro ni vhona ni khou ita dzi radio ni khou tamba muzika wa Venrap kana hip hop ya Venda ra ni vhona ni khou dzhenelela haningei ni tshi nominatiwa dzi international na dzi national na fhiwa dzi khare na ambadziwa
usidza yeso
yes na mipfa inoni yes na mipfa yavha na tshipontsho tshavhuḓi nga maanḓa na fhiwa mabanda na fhiwa zwisiterepe nga kha hoyu muzika wa Venrap ni muṅwe wa vhathu vhene hoyu muzika wa u pfesesa.
There's a different
yeah
not nga muzika wa Venrap nga hip hop culture
yeah mara ni
nga hip hop
mara ni base nga maanḓa
yeah nga hip hop kha subgenre ya Venrap
yeah sezuna mitswako nga ngomu una mini mini so kha category kana kha kupida kwa hip hop kune kwa pfi Venrap zwa zwino Venrap ni khou vhona i gai zwavhuḓi vhuḓi nyingo ri thume ni tompha background nyana uri vhathu vha kone u ḓivha zwori yo vha i gai zwino.
Hey, Venrap used to be dope, man. Venrap used to be dope. Now
used to be dope.
Now it's just cold. You serve it right. Worry, you serve it on the dish. Nah, nobody can never eat even that soup. No, like Venrap, you're a strong man. Venrap, you're in everything. Majita wajita like things that you know, yeah. Right now we have but Kanwana Pusha, they're doing everything as always, they're pushing, they're running, they're making sure it stays relevant. Yeah. But right now it's no longer about Venrap, it's no longer about the culture, it's just about I can rap and I can drop a song. It's no longer about what I want to push. It's just about being part of the rap movement. Just being part of the rap worldwide. Come on. It's no longer about it's Venrap, it's Venrap, it's no. You rap, you can rap on any beat, you're doing that. It's no longer categorized. And now it's all about, sometimes come on, you find like people are, it's all about dissing women, complaining about women. You can't even find someone really giving you something solid that you can really like. I was listening to these kids you sent me that they were doing drill. And then they're doing drill hip hop in their own way. Besides, they may be studio gangsters, but they were rapping something different. I was listening to something fresh, something different than what every time in room like really, where's the creativity? Every time yo out here now. So Venrap, sometimes I'll say it's no longer there, man. We don't really have anything that we can really point out. Gori, we're gonna take out your metro, your bomb, your what is cash flow and
prefix.
Prefix was never in a level to compete with other rappers outside Venda. It doesn't have the qualities to compete. Now, I don't know if we're going head to head. Prefix is more like your R&B rappers, your LL Cool J, but it doesn't fall in the categories of hardcore rappers. Come on. Right now, everybody, they can't really level up. If we take Metro to Back to the City or other gigs like Val Hip Hop, Metro can survive. But who else can survive? We don't, because they're all R&B. Actually, another thing you find someone that can really stand the ground.
R&B I would Venrap.
Nope, R&B is R&B.
R&B Venda.
Venrap. You want to just one of our team, man. Venrap.
chipinga chao chi ndikwaito
Even that's what I saw Rezke Kwambori. Hi guys. You know what I'm doing? Venrap from now on in one dollars.
And then there's always na even the award.
Yeah, it's very messed up.
But messed up as you think that over Genesis to season in
because now what when I work teachers work on influencers because if you pay see you are rapper.
Venrap. Na ruwa kale na pesi as Venrap. Even na musi ya Venrap.
So
even na musi
the whole mess
and ruwa team not ruwa team ruwa reche dozori.
Wimbo quite.
Mara zvinotaidzo ndinti ara nikori R&B aiwereka Venrap simozori R&B aigerwe nta Venda
worldwide
no R&B
Venda karna pop
R&B
and pop it's just in your Afro pop
na pop simozori aigerwe nta
it's just they just can't tell the difference ngori hadam ngomuntu nonga oduma sorry ndika ngoti example ngaini ndika ari wolwimbo ndi Venrap but every vote bakori ndi Venrap
abe until ujofi people to ajo future waka nga mwimbi onoko rapper akonofi ndi Venrap ruwa richido zori people to ita
reggae raga
Venda ntemu ndi mini
no until uchodana yapo uchofi ndaro future nda future ndingare ine damsi nda future wo David Mbi ndatomwita uzitreka nabo David
Mbi Venrap
wamazori baba waita Venrap
na wombi weka Venrap
dori chotamba Venda dori chotamba yeah the only problem ya Venda ndi vatu ba Venda bakovesa soft ka Venda and that's the problem. That's why listeners move ka entertainment
yeah ngori whoever une abara bateveli
entertainment ya Venda rando to liamba ngene lithi don't say man it's bullshit so if the bullshit remove isa hani
takes a lot. It's going to take a lot.
It andizokuma ndikwambori
ngori
ndingasiri nema ngori nichimbira na vasidzana you are a female nimsadzi ngori nichimbira na
why are you using me as an example
ndine popanda
ndine na mapanda
ndona metroji mopisa ringo zvino but okay yeah mara yeah you are right
so arive straightforward that's why unena radio yatova straight ngori iti wangavorine hela radio if yochinyara jambo ndirina rono
ndezvo ndadzondikwamburi ka radio mutu ave una topic ndopfa ndina chimagumu ndikotomeresa miyanga reko discuss a issue serious they are engagement is broken
ngokolongwana
vayakwata vachibudisa
babudiseni ape
vayakwata
rora arina ndava nokwata havo kwamburi azvibvisi saga lamugayo azvijenisi saga lamugayo zvitoita uri vastraightene zvifana namuzinche mwana ni primary unikotorora nisakoupfa ngobona mundu akadhiva mutuku waruwo zvipfa nokorongwana ntini ninchova navo responsibility naine vana Venda likotoda zvone zvila uri rivuye hela radio nindori ikuridza zvithu zvavini iyani respect navini namusi ichiita yapi yoita dziawadi yoveya zvithu zvadzudzanya ndingamuramusi noya
navo vanongoita zvavukuma zvino arandodzva nikorumerisa nanga dzimpfu uchipostiwa weni korumerisa
ngamfu
vatomwari zvinori kwakambekanya mushumo
ndi mwana wavo mvudhi paka
okay
mfumo yadzimpfu
ari fyapa zvino
yambe
ndikoniifani kwambori Venrap iko ngarangara iko fade na mini what do you think is missing uko shocha mini uri riwane Venrap ichingava hune yova ihone
besides vatambi
bora
na zvikempu ezvi zvine zvavori
vatambi avatambe bora
utongarati asongodziva neapa ini ari swape
like fine
yeah
vatambi avatambe bora and then the coach ngakona ngwana it's like mu baby kabe mu baby
Mwana abe mwana.
mwana abe mwana ezi zodo jaja
mara mwana aba na mwana
dova ezopfi unit nikoita unit petusione ningasiri nikoya naba nikori nikoibona ntu association ya boxing association ya boxing the association ina discipline mara game in the game ndotanda ni saya man tindote oba mungana na ini kari nerono kuita association ndione
Ne wala bangana
mara vatambi aube na undwa aube na war abetu
actually competition because you listen to every song mwana mo gungulo rotaliwa
ngori bako program yazo nezvila bako vudziwo ni urinite ruimbo ronotamba radioni ngokono ngwana urinite ruimbo ronotambwa radioni ngotoita ruimbo rontonga manyalo
what the dance ila su ufindi house
evana vasho ndiko kwambori nsongo the limit ni studio nsongo the limit and nsongo tachitunguri rikuitera
that's one kwambori nande dengangeyo
FM ngokono ngwana itani echila chetu una stu zonopfi nechizviita ndoita track wadanda ndikori putsa folk what ndikwanda ita radio edit
no
radio edit
yeah there's a problem Venda in our understanding what is a radio edit
ngokono ngwana not uri ndikori semana ani mara even na creativity ngori hip hop ndikotiwa upuri headline yoviwa it homuna otamba art una the lyrically content yawo it's sick
don't be detected
ngokono ngwana ezo ngori ndo vale na muadzinga na bhange yedzinda yanga fuck off
that's what I'm saying you come sit here I come that side
so nikori Venrap au ya competition
yakale ya ina competition ngori 91 ori Bomo Entertainment ina war dzuro ina war ainga dotangana na shandi ma unopindi ndi
double R double mini
ngokono ngwana that division
the connection
it's like
mara hucho pay for me wa
kayono ko dana na mamkize wa Royal Makeup Premier because ako buy cha muntu abuy chori ndikwagorenga ma reject abo Kaiser na parete uri ndite udotamba nga vatukana vayani vada vanitambela bola vanilaira Chiefs na mangalo
ngelani mara kitakana gigini rivari kose
Black Leopards yofanga zwezwo landani uri mi riko renga ma reject
Chiefs
vatukana ndi naye
drone never I'm not running
Richia just imagine no Black Leopards ndi timu ya it's
I love that team
ngokono ngwa mwana mu wafuna Black Leopards na mtu unoto favor Chiefs unoto badai ati mara Black Leopards is Black Leopards rari kutoda ichi kule ngokono ngwa mara hobo una vatukana vanje bono bvavo niani angeni ko nato yanga ange pasi ndosikana bona vatukana bono rochikumba zwa straight mara vana vatukana vaperera gai nai masosani
avanangiwe
masosani utova na murayo woriyo rijia ma reject unobva ngenda ini ndovona ngari just imagine
katsande
ndovona ngari ungada what Zulu adatamba ka Black Leopards atova edai atotukwana murenje vatukana vaya ndivone vazotukwana murenje zifanana that's why national squad cha South Africa kana cha any country uchitamba vatu vonobva haneho ngandandori ndikone zvibvambiluni azviva zikongokono ngwana mara just imagine ndiko jia mtu onoko
wa Tanzania
onoko dota wa Zimbabwe ti uko dota amba South Africa riko dota amba na Zimbabwe uko dota timu yawo timu chawo chichiwo ndizvanu zibbiluni zvino na Nepal ayani if timu yayani itambwa nga vatu vayani strictly ngane tribe ngokono ngwana ngori zvinobva mbiluni. And it's not about war, it's about tribe. Uri pride ya tribe yene ngokono ngwana happy ndiya giani ndiyanga nge giani
pride
itio para pride ya bala bathu ngokono ngwana uri rola it's not like riko ofika riwe ngokono ngwana uri zido create a division ngokono ngwana na radio yetiro zvenezo uri radio kaive heneyo tribe ngokono ngwana ni embrace to zwa tribe yeneyo edzi dzimwe boni teras bu metro FM uri ninga unga da any tribe ngokono ngwana any tribe
that's what rikada zwene hapo
ngokono ngwana
naona rwimbo uko fi top 20 number 1 ndichigama mapfura wa KZN
zwa straight why richito uba na song of the year ya nyinyi wa KZN nge
unori nyinyi obvisa wa pano Venda
ngokono ngwana la chitu ezwaze zora vari kuvenga kana arizokori vatu vava kuvenga cloud aikozviita chero hangu achikoroni mini eula mumbulo wawone wa correct umiserani zvitu zvinova kubva
people were just not ready
pride yeneyo mntu ngokono ngwana ritomane yapo zvino ngokono ngwana
mana pindura nambusi yangaenda vane nyongo dzakhayo ri media ya Venda iko tuita mini
we don't have media Venda
ifani iko tuita mini uri Venrap ngorisa zvino bezo ndorono chinja ngwana
let me be honest Venda we don't have media
mara ndive iwe
arina media rina vatu vane they just share
niko block wanga mainstream kani
we just no the artists zone dzine do you know for you ningari nikongoya interview artist and udori ndikomela 3000 it's just an interview arani ngoduma something ndibudza pfi I'm washed out
I think problem the knowledge mama
lack of knowledge are not legal knowledge
ari kuva na knowledge enough indosana kana uri rigude zvitu baba panovale vatu notojela ka internet uri agude uite zvitu ngokono ngwana udolindela ntu men Gale achiro thoma deula nayo kuita yawe udoita chipembe
ndakobudza mumwe
chipembe FM ngokono ngwana hangavi na creativity hapo
and this is what you can tell what our research
nikongwera
so the whole everything is a mess
azole zwanema nema mapura online watu wacha
online radio kaya online
nema
dude let's be honest I'm the forefather of internet radio in South Africa
mara ndopedzani forefather mara ndikwambori inasokova forefather na pedzano sokova forefather na basi
the problem theory you can't teach
nityo abantu watu oguda
they don't learn
wakono uni respect the reason why na rina ndomba ngava Venda nichi wano ridiva
when you're supposed to sit here
ridiva uswika kamakuru kana kamakuru kuku zogumana vamwe
varatiwa
makuru kuku anivadi
itori zikukuru banzi yaphaza pha itonga nambala thumbu
ale dhuri
ndizone zonoita uri namusi nathoma movement usaifetu ngori anitodudiva uri ngange murau
that's why ndichiri Jimmy the Scratcher or rapper ka advert nga 91 89 and people are like no way and you keep quiet like how old are you nduri niangabori like really
emuna hip hop zinofina 50 rikwamba nga international azone
yeah South Africa ina 40
50 ti
different South Africa na international 10 years
ti and then are we Venda nikokona ngwana so ritio
ina Venda ini ni azvidive zvitu
no nikwambori nandoto
Venda riko kumisira kama 90 yo homa 85 that's when
ndikwambori karitome kadzina ka 90s ndione kwambori ndione
momentum nga 90s
yeah ndione rabona moment wa kulumesha I mean aringoti utato uziyamba wafuna izwa stu zwazi recorded the reason why nisa divi muzika wa Venda ini namusi uri wothoma na nyika hai aite yamini nori sound ya muzika wa Venda ndi mini ndi anthani abantu ba ignorant they are useless because ani divi na zori muzika wa Venda wothomisa hani usoundisa hani mara
wawule chimanga chako ya wabetambura
ebala bathu bato babanji rune rindari
munna ngona sound around ichita modelelo rwambo ti
no nine zo still
ndiko
ini number ti ndiko ridoni